Hey, my people, let's make some cute bee cake pops. Well, I'm gonna make a bee cake pop and then just another bee themed cake pop. I can't talk, cake pop. So I rolled out my black clay pretty thin in between two popsicle sticks because I'm going to make strips so I can make the bee stripes to go on the cake pop. So you're just gonna need like 3 strips. I'm just straightening out this piece so I could get strips that are pretty decent. And all you need is 3 strips. And make sure that your strips are long enough to go around the cake pop. This size foam ball was like almost 2 inches. I think it's a 1.8 inch ball. And I put a little bit of the tacky glue on top since the paint is dry. The clay won't stick to it that easy. So you might want to put some glue on there too. And just make sure you pat it down so that it sticks well to the foam ball. Now I'm just going to go add the next strip. And just make sure that it reaches all the way around to the end and that the clay should touch. The clay should touch so that way when it's drying out it don't separate or crack or anything like that. So now I'm going to take the leftover little piece of clay and I'm going to make the bee stinger. So I'm just going to put the stinger on. And then I'm going to put the last strip of the stripes on the bee. I just wanted to like kind of center the stinger and then put the strip on. I mean, you don't have to do it that way, but that's just the way I did it. So I went and got some. Now you could use clay to make the eyes, and I should have did that too, but I don't know why. I just decided to use paint, but I should have used clay. You should too. Anyways, you can use clay or paint. It doesn't matter. Then I got my pastel chalks just to put a little bit of red, well, pink cheeks. Now you can use paint to do this as well, but since I just had my chalks right there, I just decided to use them. So just a little teensy bit, give them some cheeks, and that's basically your cake pop right there. Well, not yet, right? You need to put the wings on. I almost forgot to put the wings on. And I'm like, this cake pop is missing something. Wings. So I just cut out a heart shape and then cut the little V-tip down at the bottom off. And just use some tacky glue to glue that on. Then I got a cute little bow, and I put the bow on there with a little sunflower in the middle. And that's a little extra one that I made because I always try to make one before I do the tutorial just to make sure it comes out okay. And I use the smallest stick on that. You could cut your sticks down. Sometimes I feel like those cake pop sticks are too long, and I cut mine down. But this is just gonna be a cake pop with some of the honey, the glue colored honey. Wait. Man, I'm a hot mess right now. The honey glue. And I'm just going to drip some on top of that cake pop. Add a little sunflower and just a couple of bees. And then I'm going to add a little ribbon just to jazz it up a little bit. But it's nothing fancy. I mean, you could do something else. You could add a piece of the honeycomb or anything like that. And then I got a honeycomb sprinkle, and I stuck it in the middle of that bow. And And that's basically it. We got some little cute honeybee cake pops, and just a honey cake pop. And this is what they look like at the end. Hey, look who's there. I think these little bee cake pops came out so cute. Make you some. Talk to you soon. Bye.